આપણી સાથે બીજા મેનેજમેન્ટ પણ જોડાઈ ચૂક્યા છે, તો सीधा ત્યાં જઈએ। सीएसबी बैंक ना एमडी और सीईओ सीवीआर राजेंद्रन सर, शुक्रिया मेरे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। सबसे पहले ओवरऑल रिजल्ट से मैं शुरुआत करना चाह रही थी, क्योंकि ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट्स के अंदर थोड़ा वीकिश टोन दिख रहा है एज ऑफ नाउ। जो हम लोग नंबर्स देख रहे हैं वहाँ पे ये एक्सपेक्टेड है कि लोन ग्रोथ यहाँ से थोड़ा और इम्प्रूवमेंट देख पाएगी, लेकिन आपके नंबर्स में थोड़ा पेस कम हुआ है। क्या वजह थी ये नंबर्स की? अगर आप मुझे कुछ डिटेल्स शेयर कर पाएं, बाकी पैरामीटर्स पे जाएं हम उससे पहले।
The operating profit has come down mainly because of a change in the accounting practice as suggested by the Reserve Bank of India. Earlier days, when we recover the return of accounts, it will be going to the other income and become a part of the operating profit. Now, as per the RBI regulation, this return of recovery is reduced from the provisions made for the NPA. So, it is after the operating profit. So, it is not reflecting on the operating profit, but it will not have any impact on the bottom line. Similarly, there is one more change in the accounting policy wherein they said that the depreciation in the treasury book should be adjusted against the profits of the treasury. The normal course profit might have gone to the operating profit and losses might have come into the provision. Now, there is a change. Again, there is no change in the net profit, but it will have an impact on the operating profit. If you remove both these accounting changes, operating profit is almost at the same level. It is flat.
Okay, agreed sir. एक चीज़ इन टर्म्स ऑफ असेट क्वालिटी, क्योंकि हम लोग जो असेट क्वालिटी देख रहे हैं उसके अंदर काफ़ी अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट है। रिस्ट्रक्चर्ड बुक की आप कुछ डिटेल्स अगर मुझे दे पाएँ, और साथ ही क्योंकि रिस्ट्रक्चर्ड बुक हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस करें, सेकेंड हाफ में आप यहाँ से कितने एनपीएस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं इसके ऊपर भी एक आइडिया दे पाएँ, तो ये पूरा सिनारियो।
So, in the gold, the NPS have come down by 131 crores during the current quarter. It will go down further during the next quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter it should come down to the normal level. Substantial recovery is expected in the next 2 quarters, and subsequently there will be a lot of write back because of that. Similarly, in the other advances, already the slippage much less than the recovery, so there is no need for additional provisioning on because of the other advances. Net to net, there is no need for any additional provisions during the current quarter. I don't anticipate any additional provisioning during the next quarter also. The recovery should be more than enough to provide for the slippages which are going to happen. As far as the restructured book is concerned, only 56 crores is the additional restructuring we have done during the current quarter. Overall restructured book is 113 crores. We are supposed to provide only 5% on the restructured book, but as an accelerated provisioning policy, we have provided 25% on this restructured book also. But these restructured accounts are doing well as per the restructured terms. So there is no concern on that. Going forward, asset quality will further improve. Our target always is to keep the gross NPA below 2% and net NPA below 1%. I'm hopeful that we will be in a position to achieve it by March end.
ओके, अग्रीड सर। अच्छा, लास्टली इन टर्म्स ऑफ, क्योंकि FY22 हम लोग किस तरीके से एंड करेंगे उसके ऊपर मैं आपकी एक कमेंट चाह रही थी। क्रेडिट कॉस्ट को लेकर किस तरीके से आप इम्प्रूवमेंट विटनेस कर रहे हैं, आउटलुक क्या बनेगा, एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे दे पाएं।
Credit cost is negative for the current quarter because of the excellent recovery which has happened. But normally our credit cost target is to keep it below 1%. I'm confident that we will be in a position to reach that below 1% level by March end on an annualized basis.
ओके, अग्रीड सर। और लास्टली, क्योंकि आप बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र के लिए भी कुछ बातचीत कर रहे थे, उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ अपडेट्स?
No, we never talked about Bank of Maharashtra. We are open for the idea of merger with any bank available in the market.
Correct.
So,
okay.
Bank of Maharashtra is not being offered for privatization by the government. Now, anyway, legislation is being passed by the government. The government will come out with the bank wherein they are going for the privatization. We will definitely evaluate the possibilities, and if it suits our portfolio, definitely we will think about investing in those banks and merging with these banks also.